Hello, today we are solving May 2025 IAL Unit 2 question number 3. In the part A of the question, we had calculated what is the break-even number of the passengers Seaside Coach Limited has to carry in order to break even. Okay, so that they are a tour operators and they are using a coach to provide tours to the coast. So they need to carry at least 3570 passengers to even break even, okay, and operate as a business. So beyond the break even point, if they are able to carry more number of passengers, more than 3570 passengers, they will be making a profit. They are able to carry less than 3570 passengers, they will be making a loss. Now part B of the question, it says that calculate the number of tours they have to make each year to break even based on the average of 35 passengers per tour. Total number of passengers at break even divided by average, they are calculating average number of customers per tour. So what is the number of tours we will get? Okay, so that is going to be equal to, so total number of passengers is 3570 passengers are being carried, okay, total, divided by 35 passengers, okay, per tour. So 35 passengers per tour, that is going to be equal to 102 tours. Okay, they will have to make 102 tours they will have to make in order to break even at that. Then calculate the margin of safety in pounds. Margin of safety is equal to actual sale revenue in pounds minus the break even revenue sales in pounds. That is going to be equal to number of passengers carried in per year times selling price per passenger, okay, passenger. So that is equal to, they are doing 5, they are per tour there are 35 passengers, okay, in one tour, okay, in one tour they are making 35 passengers, and how many tours they are making? 5 tours a week for 36. They are able to carry out 5 tours for 36 weeks, okay, they are able to make this much. So which means that 35 into 5 into 36, that is the total number of passengers they are carrying. So let's calculate the total number of passengers. 6300 passengers are being carried, actually being carried for the entire year. 19 pounds per, okay, they are paying 19 pounds, that is equal to 19 passenger per tour. Average sales revenue, okay, average sales revenue in pounds is going to be equal to this 6300 into 19 pounds. So that is going to be equal to so 119,700. The number of passengers at the break-even point, we saw that they need to carry only not 6300, even if they just carry 3570 passengers, okay, they will be able to achieve a break-even. So 3570 passengers times, and each is going to pay 19 pounds. So that means the total revenue at the break even point is going to be equal to 3750 into 90, 51,870. So margin of safety represents how much they can fall from the actual sales quantity till the break even sales point. Okay, that zone is called as margin of safety. They can fall from 119,700 by about 51,870 till they reach the break even point of 67,830. If they are making a revenue below this even 67,830, then they will enter loss. Okay, it's a ratio. So as a percentage of sales, so that is going to be equal to margin of safety in pounds divided by the actual revenue that is happening, actual sales revenue that is happening in pounds we had calculated, times the 100. Okay, because it's a percentage. Okay, you can multiply it with 100. 51,870 divided by the actual sales was 119,700 times 100. So that is going to be equal to 43.33 percentage. They have a margin of safety by around 43%, well above the break even